Hello friends, this is Ilyas from Acumen Academy back again with a new tutorial of Lightroom, and in today's video I will tell you how to edit pictures professionally. But guys, before, if you haven't subscribed our channel, then please go and subscribe it and make sure you watch the video till the end to learn the whole procedure. So let's start the video. So we'll open the Lightroom, and now here are two pictures on which we will work on. Now we'll select the picture and go to develop section, and you can see the picture is now open. So we'll start the color grading. So we'll go to top in this section in the basic one, and we'll start from exposure. So we have to decrease the exposure a little bit, slightly, and after it will increase the contrast to add the details. As you can see, now we'll decrease the highlights to bring the details like this, but it made the picture dull, so we'll cure it later. Now we'll also decrease the shadows around 70 to 80, and we'll now increase the whites to bring light in the picture. Now here I am again decreasing our highlights a little bit. After it, we'll go to blacks and we'll decrease it also. You have to decrease it around 20, and after it you can see the difference in the picture till now. Now we'll increase the vibrance around 70 to 80 to bring the colors, to pop up the colors. After it, we'll dehaze the picture by increasing it, and we'll increase the clarity again around 20 to 30. You can see the details in the picture. So here I am again increasing the clarity to 30 to 40, around 30 to 40. Now we'll decrease the saturation a little bit, around 10 to 20 according to your need, and you can see the difference till now. Now we don't need this section right now because we've already managed the highlights, lights and darks and shadows. So we'll go to the color section and we'll work on these colors. So in this picture there is the green color, so I'll change the green color to around yellowish shade. As you can see, you can change it from here. So I'm decreasing this, and you can see the effect. We can increase its saturation or decrease it. So here I am decreasing it a little bit, and by luminance you can add or decrease the light in it, as you can see. So I am increasing it. After it, I'll go to another colors like magenta, and you can see it on the road by increasing the saturation, as you can see. So I'll decrease it so that it will get a little bit of bluish shade, and again I'll do the same with purple also, so that you can see that the road got converted with a bluish hue. So after it, after managing this section, now I'll increase the blue saturation and change its hue, and you can see the effect. After it, you can see that the grains are popping in this picture, so I'll increase the noise reduction to around 30 to 50. And you can see that the picture got so smooth. I think it's better now. Now you can see the difference between the original one and the edited one. It's looking much pretty. Now we'll select the second picture and again go to develop, and we'll start from the basic panel. So first of all, we'll decrease the exposure and increase the contrast to bring the details. After increasing the contrast, you can see the highlights here. So we'll decrease the highlights to bring the details of the image back. You can see the difference, but it made the picture dull again. So we'll cure it with whites later on. Now we'll decrease the shadows so that the picture will get a dark moody effect, and we'll increase the whites to fill the light in the picture. Again we'll decrease the black around 20, and now we'll increase the vibrance around again 70 to 80. After it, increase the clarity around 30 and increase the dehaze around 20. Now we can decrease the saturation if you want to. Now we'll again go to the color panel, and here you can see the yellowish color tone. So I'll change it like this. As by decreasing it, you can see it looks much better. So I am doing this, but by orange shade it's ruining everything. So yellow is better. After adjusting the luminance, as you can see her jacket is blue, so I am using aqua color to touch it up, and by blue shade I can change its hue, as you can see. After adjusting it, again there is no magenta color in it, as you can see, but there is a bit of purple in the back. So I'll change it to bluish hue. So after adjusting the colors, you can see that it got much grains and details. So I'll again increase the noise reduction around 40 to 50, and you can see it got much smoother, and the picture look absolutely pretty. So guys, that's it for today's video. If you guys liked our video and the tutorial, then please do leave your like, comments and subscribe our channel